today. I'm from the Google. We are looking for a senior executive manager. With us, Harshvardhan R is there, who has come for to get an interview. Hello, Harshvardhan.
Hey,
Tell me about yourself.
my name is Harshvardhan and I completed my BE Computer
Okay.
Science Engineering in Vellore Institute of Technology in Chennai. So I did all my education in India only, and I'm planning to do further one after doing my job getting job experience for few more years, and after that I'm thinking to join the Google company itself. Uh, and what else want you want to know?
How did you hear about this position?
See, always wanted to join a huge company, like as a executive manager, like these posts. Um, the only thing
Okay.
I've ever thought is to join like this only. I don't want to join like a different section. That's the only reason.
Okay. What are your greatest strengths?
My strength is I can do coding, and I love coding. I can do it.
Okay.
I started my coding when I was in my grade fifth, and I love playing games, so I started with creating small codes for games like Mini Militia, like that. I have not exactly created that game, but I like 2D games. Okay, so my journey started there, and now I ended up creating a small apps like app which can actually, it's not that much complicated, but it's like so simple, like calculator and measuring your speed using different motion sensors and like that only. And I'm learning Python too, which is actually very important in a IT industry. So yes, my greatest strength I can do coding, and it's my passion.
Which is your favorite coding language? Can I know?
My favorite coding language, I can't be specific in this, but to be honest, I started with C, so I'm very comfortable with C, and it's been my base language, and it's my first language I've ever learned. So I'm my favorite language. We can say that it's C.
Okay. Tell me about the time you have made a mistake. What did you do at that time?
Mistake is like after when I was in a smaller company than this one, like it was really small, and I never dreamed of
Okay.
getting out of that company. And now you will ask like, how did you manage to end up here in an interview with you? For that, I would like to answer like, when my friends started to mocking at me that they were not from my company, and it's like my wage was very low, like it was really low. So I decided why not I should try interview in other companies. So I'm trying this one, and that's it.
Okay. Tell me about the time you have failed.
Time failed. It's like I've never failed in anything, but yes, I have stuck in between.
Okay.
Like few
Okay.
years, I have to drop my career and everything due to a small accident or like that. It can be it's mostly it's a mental one. So nothing mistake. It just happens like that.
Okay. What's your current salary? Can I know?
Current salary, it was like very low, like 40 to 50K. After working in a company for almost 5.5 years, still I have reached only up to this level by incrementing. That's it, 40 to 50K.
What are you looking in for a new position?
Like I've already told, I'm looking for an executive manager post. I'm
Okay.
comfortable with that. No problem, no issues.
Okay. From your past company, how would your boss or a coworker describe you? Were you rude or were you helpful to them?
Like you can
How
ask
would they
them,
describe you?
you can check my records also. I've never been rude to anyone, or like I've never did any mistake, like in misbehavior in
Okay.
discipline or like that. You can check my records also. I have
Okay.
no problem with that.
Okay. Okay. And What would you like to do outside of the work after your work time? What would you like to do?
After work time, I would like to upgrade my skills, like coding skills. I'm good at coding, but it's okay. But I have no issue with that. But good coder is not like how you can code; it's how short you can code. So my only goal is to improve my skills and do something different and be a part of a company, the whole journey of the company.
What are you passionate about?
My passion is playing games, so that's where all everything started.
What are your salary requirements?
My salary requires I don't work for salary, but it's a part of a living. But it's not about salary; it's about the company. I just want to work for company. If a company provides a
Okay.
better salary, it's very good for me also. So I have no problem with my salary.
Okay. From now, I will be asking some personal questions. Is it okay?
Yes, okay.
Okay. If you are animal, which animal would you be? And what will be your greatest strength of that animal which you like?
I would like to be a cheetah, cause
Okay.
it's like the fastest animal. So I would like to be a cheetah.
Huh.
So tell me about yourself.
Myself, I'm Harshvardhan Naidu. I have completed my SSC and HSC from the Mumbai Maharashtra board. Later on, I joined automobile engineering in diploma in at Hindustan College, which is located currently at Chennai. Now, afterwards, I pursued my computer science engineering because my slightly interest, play of interest changed and it went off to the computer. So I joined the computer science engineering in the Savita and I completed it. For now, I am looking for a junior executive manager post in your company.
Okay, why do you want to work at this company in particular?
From a starting, I have dreamed to work in a multinational company like yours. So it's like my dream to work in a multinational company. So I think now I'm capable of, and I have gained the experience to work in this company
Okay, why do you want this job alone?
because my past job was lower designation than the current designation you are providing me. Because of the past job, I was working in a small company and I have gained the many experience from it. And I'm very specialist in a coding languages like a Java and Python. So I think I will be perfect for your company.
Okay, and why should we hire you?
Like as you mentioned in your advertisement, that you are looking for a perfect coder and like a experienced coder. So I have worked in a small company just as a coding coder part for a 5 years. So I have a perfect experience for the coding you're looking for, and I think I'm the perfect candidate.
Okay, what are your greatest strengths?
My greatest strength is I do not demotivate anyone or myself. Do not demotivate. I'm always motivated. I look ahead for challenges.
Okay, what do you consider to be your weakness?
My greatest weakness is my angerness.
Okay, what is your greatest prof- why are you leaving your current job?
Uh, because I had some issues with the manager, and he's kind of type of rude with me. So I need a work oriented job, not a personal. So he is getting personal, like he's getting angry, he's giving me over workload. So I want to leave the job. As I told you, I have dreamed of working in a multinational company. So I saw your job requirement, so I came here for the interview.
Okay, if you don't mind, can I ask what's your current salary in the company?
Yeah, my current salary in the company is 45K.
Okay, what are you passionate about?
I'm passionate about traveling.
And what do you like to do outside of work?
I would like to chill out and travel and increase my knowledge.
What other companies are you interviewing with?
I have interviewed with Capgemini, HCL, and a few logistic companies like DHL, Professional, and core companies like Microsoft and Intel.
And what's your dream job?
My dream job, I don't have a dream job. I have a dream to open my own startup company in a software field.
And what makes you unique?
I think my hard work and my passion and I'm dedicated to this field makes me unique.
Okay, what should I know that's not on your resume?
Uh, like I'm very cheerful guy and I can handle stressful conditions and a pressure that's not in my resume. So I'm a very open guy. We can have a good chat outside the company also.
How many tennis balls can you fit into a limousine?
As a limousine is a big stretch car, I think it may fit nearly about 8 to 9,000 balls. It's approximate.
Tell about a time you have demonstrated leadership skills.
As I want to tell you, like I'm a good player of volleyball. So once our team went to an inter-district competition. At that time, our team was in a losing condition. So I was a leader. I was the captain of the team. So I motivated everyone with a good coach, and I told them still we can win the game. And I think I was my leadership skills were very good that we really won the match as I told them and I motivated them. Because of my motivation, we won the inter district match and we qualified to the state champions.